Introduction to coral reefs. Coral reefs are diverse and vibrant marine ecosystems found in tropical and subtropical waters. They are built by colonies of tiny coral polyps that secrete calcium carbonate to form a hard, limestone skeleton. Coral reefs are often referred to as the rainforests of the sea, due to their rich biodiversity and the crucial role they play in marine environments. Structure and formation. Coral reefs are formed over thousands of years through the accumulation of coral polyps' calcium carbonate skeletons. These polyps are small, soft-bodied organisms that live in colonies. As they secrete calcium carbonate, their skeletons build up, creating the reef structure. Over time, additional polyps join the colony and the reef grows larger. The process is facilitated by symbiotic relationships between corals and tiny algae called zooxanthellae, which live within the coral tissues and provide energy through photosynthesis. Types of coral reefs. There are three main types of coral reefs: fringing reefs, barrier reefs, and atolls. Fringing reefs are directly attached to the shore, growing close to the coastline. Barrier reefs are separated from the shore by a lagoon and run parallel to the coast, with the Great Barrier Reef in Australia being a prominent example. Atolls are ring-shaped reefs that encircle a lagoon, typically forming around a submerged volcanic island. Importance for marine life. Coral reefs provide essential habitats for a vast array of marine life. They support more species of fish and other marine organisms than any other oceanic habitat. The complex structures of coral reefs offer shelter, food, and breeding grounds for various species, including fish, mollusks, crustaceans, and sea anemones. Many commercially important fish species spend part of their life cycle on coral reefs, making these ecosystems crucial for fisheries. Ecosystem services. Coral reefs offer numerous ecosystem services beyond supporting marine life. They protect coastlines from erosion by acting as natural barriers that absorb wave energy. This protection helps reduce the impact of storms and prevents coastal erosion, safeguarding human communities living near the shore. Coral reefs also contribute to tourism and recreational activities, which are vital economic resources for many coastal regions. Threats to coral reefs. Coral reefs face several significant threats, many of which are linked to human activities. Climate change is causing ocean temperatures to rise, leading to coral bleaching, a stress response where corals expel their symbiotic algae, resulting in loss of color and vital nutrients. Pollution, overfishing, and destructive fishing practices also damage coral reefs. Additionally, coastal development and sedimentation can smother reefs and disrupt their delicate balance. Conservation efforts. Efforts to conserve and restore coral reefs are crucial for maintaining their health and biodiversity. Marine Protected Areas, MPAs, and reef restoration projects aim to reduce human impacts and promote recovery. Strategies include reducing carbon emissions to mitigate climate change, controlling pollution, and implementing sustainable fishing practices. Public education and awareness campaigns also play a role in encouraging responsible behavior and supporting conservation initiatives. Research and monitoring. Ongoing research and monitoring are essential for understanding coral reef health and developing effective conservation strategies. Scientists study coral biology, reef ecology, and the effects of environmental changes on reefs. Monitoring programs track coral cover, fish populations, and water quality to assess reef conditions and guide management decisions. The role of local communities. Local communities play a vital role in coral reef conservation. Indigenous knowledge and traditional practices often contribute to sustainable reef management. Community involvement in conservation efforts, such as establishing no-take zones or participating in reef restoration activities, helps protect and preserve these vital ecosystems. Conclusion. Coral reefs are integral to marine biodiversity, providing essential habitats, supporting fisheries, and offering ecosystem services that benefit both marine life and human communities. Protecting coral reefs from threats and promoting conservation efforts are crucial for maintaining their health and ensuring their survival for future generations. Understanding the importance of coral reefs underscores the need for global and local actions to safeguard these invaluable marine treasures.